All right, guys, 2017 Ford Mustang GT50. Look at this thing. Beautiful. Long tube headers there and there. He had them installed himself. He ran the pipe into an X pipe right there. That's what we installed. So he did the long tubes. We just did the X pipe. That's all we installed. Instead of the resonator, I'll show you guys the resonator in a second. And then he also put himself axle back exhaust by CNL exhaust. That's what it's called. We'll see if we can get you guys a link in the description. There and there. They're really tiny mufflers. Look at that. Barely. They're like 6 inches long. CNL exhaust axle back, 2.5 inch on each side. And then finished it off with double walled 4-inch tips to complete the look. Really nicely done. And this is the resonator that was on it. That's where he had it welded. So we just cut it there and replaced the resonator with an X pipe, as you guys can see, that I showed you earlier. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, hit that subscribe. Much better. Yeah, that resonator was way too quiet. It's that loud. There you go. There's sound decibels. Earlier hit 122, guys. That sounds so good. I like it. They give it a different tone. It's a nice tone. It's different than the ones I've heard. I like it. Did you do a tune on it at all or anything yet?
No, not yet.
Yeah, you got to get a tune done. If you do a tune on it, they'll change the sound even more.
I was expecting it to be more raspier.
Yeah, it's not. This is a perfect setup. Keep it like this. Exhaust, long and X-Pod, catless. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Mustang GT50 with long tube headers. Catless, X-pipe, and CNL axle back exhaust. Oh, it sounds so good.